Hey Jordan, this is Mrs. Skoglund. Just wanted to give you some feedback on your summer assignment. So we're mostly going to be talking about chapter 3 since that was the question that you starred, but I'll kind of reference some other parts of your project as we're going as well. Excuse me. Okay. So in a body paragraph, which is kind of the format that we have here, the first thing that I always look for is a strong topic sentence, and we want that to be the first sentence of your paragraph that comes right out and answers the question that was provided. I think you did a nice job of that here, Jordan, where you tell me IQ and EQ basically are like different ways of testing the mind, left and right brained. So that was great because I knew what each of those meant right off the bat. So good job there. Next, I actually look at the end of your paragraph for what we call a concluding sentence. And again, we want that to kind of tie back to the original question. And that's sort of that sentence that lets the reader know, okay, like we're done, the paragraph is over. I noticed, Jordan, you didn't really seem to have clear concluding sentences. So that would be something that would be probably good to go back and revise, okay? All right, next I looked at your evidence, and I'm going to actually talk about commentary here as to Jordan, but I would say I think this is an opportunity for you to maybe go back because I noticed that in all of your paragraphs, not just this one, there's really not any evidence or quotations from the book itself, and that's actually really what we want to be able to have you work with that evidence and for you to be able to comment and analyze on that. So it was kind of just hard for me to score you without having that in there. Okay, so again, that would be a good opportunity for you to go back and revise. Lastly, I looked at conventions and citations. So obviously I don't see any citations because there aren't quotes, so that's something we would want to get added in. And then conventions, I just noticed some things like, someone's missing an apostrophe here. We want to avoid personal pronouns like you. It's just a little too informal. So saying something like based on how people respond can really elevate your writing. So just kind of some proofreading and word choice things we probably want to fix. I don't think it's on here actually. I think this is one you hand wrote, but I thought you did a good job on your R-directed activities, and I appreciated the letter that you wrote where you said that you are going to try to buy your notebook and kind of spark some creativity. I think that's really awesome, and anyway, just wanted to give you some feedback.